This kitchen cabinet and architectural woodworking shop is looking for a new owner. Hi, I'm Don Poley with Royal LePage, Prince Edward. Today we're at RW Woodworking in Hunter River, Prince Edward Island. Come on in, let's take a look inside. This shop is just under 4,400 square feet and is fully equipped with all tools and machinery for all your woodworking projects. The paint room, located at the back of the shop, is fully equipped for all your finishing requirements. A showroom and office to meet privately with your clients. If you're interested in starting or growing your existing woodworking business or any business on beautiful Prince Edward Island, you can contact me at Royal LePage, Prince Edward.